Have you noticed something? When you buy something new, the excitement fades fast, but when you fix something difficult, the satisfaction lingers. Why? Your brain is wired in a simple way. The harder something is to earn, the more it means. When you invest time, frustration, patience, your mind doesn't label it as just an object. It becomes proof. Proof you didn't quit. Proof you figured it out. Proof you have skill. Buying new skips that process. Fixing forces it. And that process is where meaning lives. Modern life removes friction. One-click purchases, instant upgrades, automatic everything. But when everything works instantly, nothing feels earned. And something inside you feels underused. Old machines bring friction back, and friction wakes you up. Think about your normal day. Notifications, deadlines, algorithms deciding what you see. So much feels invisible. But when a machine breaks, the cause is physical. A loose wire, a clogged line, a worn part. You can trace it, touch it, understand it. And when you fix it, the result is clear. Action leads to outcome. But here's where it gets deeper. Sometimes this love for fixing things isn't just about machines. It's about identity. People who feel alive fixing things usually share a quiet trait. They don't want life handed to them. They want to wrestle with it. They would rather struggle toward competence than glide toward comfort. That's rare. Most people prefer ease. You prefer engagement. Be honest. When something works perfectly right away, it feels disposable, replaceable, forgettable. But when you've poured hours into something difficult, you protect it because it carries your effort. And effort feels like identity. There's another layer. When you're fixing something challenging, your body shifts. Focus narrows. Distractions fade. Time changes. You're fully present. Not scrolling, not comparing, not thinking about yesterday or tomorrow. Just you and the problem. And when the problem responds, your brain releases a surge of reward. Not because you bought something, because you mastered something. But there's a shadow here. Sometimes people fix machines because machines are easier than people. Machines follow rules. Humans don't. Machines respond predictably. Life doesn't. It's safer to control bolts and wires than emotions and uncertainty. That doesn't make you broken. It makes you human. But it's worth noticing. When you choose broken over perfect, you're choosing story over surface. Perfect machines are silent. Broken machines speak. They demand attention, patience, skill. And when they finally cooperate, it feels like partnership, not ownership. That partnership is what feels alive, because it mirrors something ancient in us. For most of human history, survival depended on understanding tools. If you couldn't fix what you used, you didn't last long. That instinct hasn't disappeared. It's just buried under convenience. Old machines bring it back. So if you feel more alive fixing something than buying something, it doesn't mean you're stuck in the past. It means you crave depth, cause and effect, earning, competence growing, not just possessions. That's not outdated. That's wired. But remember, the real power isn't in the machine. It's in the mindset. Patience, persistence, problem solving, refusal to quit. If you apply that same energy to relationships, goals, life, fixing old machines isn't nostalgia. It's training. And maybe that's why broken feels better than perfect. Because perfect asks nothing of you, but broken asks you to become better. And when it finally runs, so do you.